Okay, I'm going to report this unit's trippy overloads on a control panel. I advised the customer how to check them. He's reset them, turn the panel back on, and within sort of like a second or two it's trippy overloads again. So obviously something fairly major going on. Dead bunny. We put a new motor on there a little while ago. Can't see any mice in there. Let's turn it off. So anyway, we'll get some test meters on there, see what's going on. What brand is it? It's I think it's Electrolux. That's an Electrolux, which is probably a Spira or something now. They've changed their name, I think. They got fined for doing some price fixing thing and then they changed their name. Something like that. Okay, got the power turned off. Just confirmed for the mega out. Just confirmed the connection on my copper pipe. So I'll try it on one of these terminals. Oh, no, that's good. Good. I was expecting it to be shorted out. That's good. Yeah, and then we'll confirm we've got good earth. Yep, oh well, that checks out. That motor's a little stiff. Okay. The switch is full of amps. What I'm wondering now, I was thinking it was the overloads tripping, but with the amount of wires we've got run into this, we've got enough for a live and neutral for the compressor. We've got enough for a live in, live out for the control circuit, and we've also got enough for the LP and HP signal wires. So I'm wondering if actually it's sensing that it was tripping on the high pressure because that fan stuff, rather than it being the overloads with this being overcurrent, which is what I was thinking was happening. And if we look in the switch, we seem to have all the connect terminals livened up. So you've got, it's not very clear, you've got one's live in, 4 is compressor run, so that will go to the contactor. 2 would be the low pressure trip, and 3 would be the high pressure trip. So I'm thinking actually it's probably okay, and it's just that fan motor that's only lasted since January 19. Although saying that, it did, the fan blade did die on it, so it did have a the blade shattered, so it might have got stressed out with that. I don't know how clean the condenser is. Yeah, it's pretty clean. So we might turn that on. Yeah. Must be a relay somewhere. I can hear something clicking. It's probably the start relay on the compressor. Yeah, I reckon that's what it was. New fan motor. Okay, got a rotator ratchet on there. 2 hands really, but I can just rock the handle back and forth or spin it fully and it'll turn the socket at the end. Yeah, we'll get the idea. Okay, got some new bearings on there. Yeah, I've had to put a few of these go with bad bearings, especially if they run hot. So there didn't seem a lot of point putting a new motor on it if it's going to go the same way. So I've got a set of better quality bearings, especially on little units in shops where they run really warm. And I've not had any change. I've only done a few of them, but I've not had any problems with the ones where I've put new bearings in there. I mean, some of them you put new ones in there before you fit the motor. Anyway, let's get this back together and see if it works. Oh, I've got some thread lock. I'm going to thread lock the screw that holds the fan blade on as well. Okay, that's a lot freer now. Find the fan guard down there. Goes in some little holes. There we go. There's a little rubber buffer that goes under there. I think the one's missing for this side. Be a bit noisy because all the liquid's probably in the wrong place. I don't know how warm the room is. Full side glass, he says, just as it empties. You have to run for 5 minutes. Mind you saying that's hot already. Wow, it's working hard. Yep, that's already warm. Yeah, it's getting hot now. Fill up. Can't put the gauges on it because it's R22. I'd say that is red hot. That room is probably like 20 plus. This is a S25, I think. TN Electrolux. I think it's Electrolux. Unidad Hermetica, Unidad Hermetica or something. I'm sure it's Electrolux. And then I think there was some issue and then they've changed their name to being something else. I mean, this one's lasted well, but they were never the best compressors on the market. One of the wholesalers said they used to get a lot of warranty claims for that brand. Them and Bristol. I think Bristol's gone bust. That is red hot. I still think that'll fill up once the load comes down. So it's filled up. There's just a little tiny bubble going around in there. brambles cleared away. Same down there, give it a sweep. That all needs brushing off. Running a bit quieter now. All the mounting feet for the compressor were rotten, so I've made some new ones out of this stuff. I think well, I've been saying for years that compressor's on its last leg, so don't sound too healthy internally, but it pumps okay. That one's running now. Nothing going for an hour. Starting to get some drips coming out the drain. That's doing some work.